Thank you so much.
Excited for Ramayana.
Most definitely. That's
Sita look.
exactly. Well, this is more of, the black kind of more of Lanka look. Exactly, Shurpanakha. But then yes,
So I'm assuming you came for Yash like a Ravan fan.
totally, totally.
How was the first look of Ramayana?
It was surreal. It was literal goosebumps. Like, oh my god, these are the kind of things that you can just imagine in your head that how it must have looked like. And finally, it's so amazing to see it on screen. It's just beautiful.
And Ramayana is getting a VFX and a 3D effect also. What do you think about that?
I think that it is just going to amplify it so much more because the cinematography and the VFX, when it all will come together, I personally think it will be crazy. Like, it will be just out of this world.
And lastly, talking about the cast, we have Sai Pallavi, Ranveer as Ram.
Only the best cast ever. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Me personally, as a Gen Z, we have not seen Ramayan on screen, like as a movie. Okay, like there are many movies for sure. There's that anime version, but then this, I think it is going to have a huge impact on our generation.
For
For Ramayana, we have been working for the last 2.5 years all together.
Hi guys.
Hi,
Firstly,
hi, hi.
Congratulations.
Yeah, so we.
The first look was amazing.
Thank you. It's all the efforts of whole team. Sir.
He's our designer.
Sir, are you-
No, he's our HOD.
Sir, please.
Sir, please come
Sir,
here.
sir, please.
He's our brilliant,
So
brilliant
he's
HOD.
our HOD. He's the main designer behind the whole look and everything. So he's the.
Nothing would have been possible without
Without
this
him.
man right here, guys. He's
This
star of the art.
excitement is not like from a one day. The entire life that we have given, and in one glimpse that this is here what we have seen. It's a glimpse of life, not it's a glimpse of Ramayana for us and for the entire team.
Apart from the costumes, they look amazing. The first look was amazing. How was it expected? Like, आप लोगों की expectations पे खड़ा होता है, first look कैसा लगा आप लोगों को?
It was magnanimous. It was.
I think this is the revival of Bollywood. To be very honest.
Beyond the expectation.
This will be just like the reference that entire world will consider. Like this is an Indian epic here. And the worldless, we are just like the worldless.
In a bigger level, which we have never seen, which people have never seen, what we are coming from, what culture, what history we are coming from. In a big screen, in a so magnanimous way, we are showcasing our epic, our own culture, which all over the world people can see, and they just take a reference. They can take a like what to say, like how to express the culture, which was not being done beforehand.
And lastly, I want to ask, you have designed costume for such a big star cast. I mean, Ram.
Right.
Yes, we have a Ravan, Sai Pallavi. How was the experience after?
See, this is not the only the I have done. This is the team. With the team we have done, and definitely the entire team has worked like as Namish said in the like. Everybody has worked so hard, like entire year, almost for like 2 years, and of course you will see the result. And for us, like seeing glimpse is something else. Now just imagining like how it will come when the trailer comes and then finally the film, it will just like something else. And yeah, thank you so much.
Behold cinema.
I want to say something. हमारा सच, हमारा इतिहास, जय श्री राम. हमारा सच, हमारा इतिहास, जय श्री राम.
Okay.
You have been a direction team.
Yes, correct. It was fantastic. Like I was clapping, so I was around the actors. So it was a mind-blowing experience.
And how was working with these
It's crazy. They like the vision is great, so it's fun. Like it's great to witness it like up front, like up close. It's fantastic. Not just me. Look at the rest of the direction team. Like I'm just an intern. Like these guys are the seniors and they execute the entire film. And Shivangi, she's the main girl.
Lastly, Shivangi has been working on this project for 4 years.
5 actually, 5.
Oh my god, that is great. Lastly, talking about the cast.
Sorry?
Talking about the cast, lastly, Ram, yes, Sai Pallavi, they are such a great star cast. How was it working with them?
They're not only just great stars, they're very good as people also. And they're fantastic at work, like very good at work. So well deserved.
Can
The first look was really good. The sound and the VFX, it was really cool. You will stand out and shout ki wow, the VFX are really cool, and the characters are blending so much. The Ranveer is looking so good in a Ram characters, and sounds are really cool. The directors really worked so hard in that, and they came there for the promotion. And if the teaser is that cool, you should imagine the whole movie, how it will look like. It is definitely cool. You should watch that. Welcome.